This is Michael Nelms coming to you from Hayward Allen Motor Company in Athens, Georgia, here to preview a 2011 Silverado Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle is a recent delivery with under 55,000 miles. That's right, less than 55,000 miles. Got new Firestones all the way around. It's a clean truck. It's got a clean Carfax history. Got a nice spray-in bed liner. A few little extras like sliding back glass, power driver's seat. It also has the integrated trailer brakes. So if you're doing a lot of towing, this is already set up for you. Very clean vehicle inside and out. Got dual air control, CD player, equipped with OnStar, can hold 6 passengers. Very clean vehicle. Got factory towing. Give me a call if you'd like to come in for a test drive or if you just need some more information. You can reach me at 706-621-8518, or you can reach me at the dealership number shown there. I'd love to have you come in and test drive it. It's a really clean vehicle. Call Michael at Hayward Allen, 706-621-8518.